Hello YouTube, and look what the postman has got for me. Don't you love it when you do some online shopping and the cargo has come? It's my purple Panda microphone, I think straight out of the USA, and let's take her upstairs and open her up and see what's inside. Hey YouTube, made it up to the crib. As I said before, got the delivery of my order, the purple Panda. Let's open her up. Let's cut her open and see what's inside. And here is our purple Panda box. Now I was after a microphone without spending too much money, and after hours of watching reviews on YouTube, they said Purple Panda does the job. So at $29 I thought, well, you know, you really can't go wrong. So that is it there. That's the box it comes in. And let's open her up and see what goodies are inside. So we open her up, and let me tell you first, the box is packed very well, and there is that. There is a thank you letter. Thanks Fuzzbuzz for all your support. Leave us a review, blah blah blah. Thanks for joining the Purple Panda family. We would like to give you a free gift. Really interested to see what that gift is. Hope it's a couple of $100. That would be great. As I said, the box got some good soft lining in there, so I don't think anything's going to be damaged. User guide and support, and it looks in-depth. All the parts, like your iPhone, Android setup, cameras and GoPros and DSLRs, troubleshooting. So yeah, not that I really read a lot of that, but it is there, and it's in depth. It looks in depth, which is good. That's that. And here is the bag. Oh, it comes in a very neat looking bag. There is the bag. As you can see, Purple Panda. Love the little emblem. Love the bag. It's like a velour bag. I reckon the bag's worth about $29, so happy with that. And now let's check out the items inside. The bag, the microphone with the TRRS connector. It's got the the three lines, the three circles, and it's got some little notes for you when recording on smartphones and tablets. Unplug before listening. Plug firmly until you hear a click, which is good. And it has a beautiful, lovely little Purple Panda emblem on it, which I sort of like that little touch. It also comes with a 3-meter extension, a TRRS extension. So if you want to set up, you know, your camera 3 meters away, there it is there. It comes with a 3-meter extension. TRS 2-ring adapter. These are for, I think, your older generation cameras and stuff like that. Mini USB adapter for your GoPros and stuff that need your mini USB connector to it, which is handy because I've got a GoPro 3. A fuzzy windscreen for fuzzy environments, and this is good for when you're going to do recordings outdoors when it's windy, I guess, just to cut out the wind noise. It definitely will come in handy for me, as I'll be doing motovlogging and setting it up in the helmet just to cut out the wind noise, and that was one of my main problems with my other setup. And it comes with an extra clip, just in case you lose your clip. There's one clip on the microphone, and it comes with an extra clip if you need it. I guess you can put it away, and you know, if you want to clip it onto your collar or your shirt, just comes with an extra clip. Probably come in handy, as they're small pieces. You'll probably lose them. So there you go, and there is, voila, $29. I got it off Amazon. If you want to take a closer look at the microphone, here is the microphone. That's the end to it. As I said, it's a 3-ring. It's got a little purple Panda emblem on it, which is awesome. Velcro, so you can tie it all together nice and neatly and put it away when you need to store it away. And it comes with a lovely little bag. And dare I say, as I'm looking at it, I think it is a great buy for the money, for the $30 to $29 it was on Amazon. So on my next video, I will be testing it out. I'll be setting it up in the helmet and doing reviews on it, see what it sounds like, see if it really does cut out the noise, the wind noise especially, and my voice, see how that comes out. So please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. It's okay. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, or just say hi. This is Fuzzbuzz signing out, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Purple Panda. As I say, for $29, the Purple Panda unboxing, I think so far from what I see and what's in front of me, it's a great little buy with all the little adapters and bits and pieces for it. I heard some great reviews, and hopefully I can make a good review on the Purple Panda microphone. So from Fuzzbuzz, from sunny Antalya to you all, wherever you may be, adios.